I picked this up, this Frontier Soups, and it's kind of almost a ready-to-made soup mix. And you just need to add some broth, some meat, like I'm going to add some chicken, and it says you can add cream. I'm going to add milk because I actually don't have any cream in the house, but I'll make it and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. It says to start with chicken or vegetable broth, so I am using this Campbell's chicken broth. Okay, so we're supposed to bring this to a boil and then we add in the soup contents. So we'll just wait for it to boil. While we're waiting for the soup to boil, we're just gonna go ahead and fry up some chicken and then we can add that after. I always add some garlic. Lots of garlic. And I'm gonna add some basil, just for extra flavor. I could have pounded these chicken breasts, but because they're going to be sliced and put in the soup, I'm not going to worry about it. Probably should have added a little bit of oil before I got going, but I'll add it now. I ended up actually cutting the chicken just to help it cook a little quicker, of course because I'm impatient. So let's get that ready. This is beginning to boil, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to add in this soup mix, and then it's supposed to sit for 15 minutes. I also doubled the amount of broth in it just because I like to have a decent amount of soup. It seems fine, and I am going to be adding quite a bit of chicken, so yeah, I thought that would be a good idea. Just trying to let it cool down now. But it's gonna like simmer for 15 minutes. So I tasted this broth. It tastes so good already. I'm very excited. You can see there's the rice and the onions underneath. So it says that you can now add in 1 cup of heavy cream or half and half. I'm gonna add in milk because I don't have any, and plus it's probably a little healthier. Here's the chicken I cooked. I'm gonna add that. I don't know if I'll add all of it. Probably, let's see. I just don't want to make it too thick, but so I measured 1 cup. I'm just going to add half of it first, just because I don't want to add too much, but I love the color. I'm going to add some more of the chicken in. I'll probably end up adding all of it actually. Let's just see what that looks like. Yeah, I'll probably add, might as well, except for the little pieces that I'll save for the dogs. It looks great though. I'm really quite happy with this. I'm supposed to just let that cook now for 10 more minutes on low, and then it's ready to serve. Well guys, I'm super happy with the finished product. Look how yummy this soup looks. Now it's time to sit and enjoy my soup.